Google shipped a model that reasons about images and sound with almost no perception hardware in front of it. I want to know what got deleted and whether anybody proved it was a good idea. Hi, I'm Ritik, and this video is about one line in Google's Gemma 4 technical report. In June, Google shipped a Gemma 4 that deletes the parts which let a model see and hear. I'll show you what was removed, what replaced it, what the benchmarks actually say, and the experiment the report never runs. If you build multimodal systems, that last one is the part that matters. Until this spring, you built a multimodal model out of 3 specialists: a vision transformer to see, a conformer to hear, a tokenizer for text, each trained separately, frozen, then bolted onto the front of a language model that does the thinking. Gemma 4 shipped in April with 4 models built exactly that way. 2 months later, Google shipped a 5th model and deleted the eyes. Gemma 412B takes raw 48 by 48 pixel patches and replaces a 550 million parameter vision encoder with 1 matrix multiply, 35 million parameters, 94% of the seeing apparatus gone. Audio went further, not shrunk, removed. Raw 16 kHz sound sliced into 40 millisecond frames, projected straight into the space the word embeddings live in. No audio encoder at all, and Google's stated reason is not accuracy, it is latency and memory. Commit before the scores. You just deleted the purpose-built perception hardware out of a perception model. Did it get worse at perceiving? Both on MMMU Pro, the encoder-free 12B scores 69.1 against 73.8 for the 26B and 76.9 for the 31B. It loses, but on speech recognition its word error rate is 0.067 against 0.075 and 0.090. It wins. Both of those readings are junk. 69 against 76 is not encoders versus no encoders. It is 12 billion parameters against 31 billion. And on audio it is 12 billion against 4.5. Every comparison moves 2 variables at once. Go looking in the report for the experiment that holds size fixed and toggles the encoder. It is not there. So the verdict has 3 lines. The deletion is real. The efficiency win is real. 1 stack trainable end-to-end, no encode then reason hop, and parity with encoders is unproven. Google's own wording is that it performs near the larger 26B at under half the memory, near, a different size. One more thing, because these two get conflated constantly. That was encoder convergence, perception folding into the decoder. It is not generators and discriminators collapsing into one architecture. Gemma 4 emits only text, there is no image head. The models that genuinely unify making and judging are Chameleon, Emu3, Show-O, Transfusion, Janus, and Bagel. The idea underneath them is the Platonic representation hypothesis. And it is contested. Your turn, take the Gemma 4 technical report and find the ablation I just said was missing. If you find it, I am wrong, and I want to know. Gemma 4 unified, Humanitarians AI.